Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shadaraman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect a timer wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP-MCB circuit breaker, timer, light, phase connection input to DP-MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection input to DP-MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection from DP-MCB to timer, phase connection from DP-MCB to timer, neutral connection to light, phase connection to timer, output connection from timer to connect light. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.